Tiny, quick, and full of personality, chipmunks are nature's adorable little acrobats. With their fluffy tails, striped fur, and endless energy, these tiny creatures are more than just cute, they're fascinating. Today, we're diving deep into the world of chipmunks, uncovering their habitats, favorite snacks, family life, and surprising things you might not know. So, let's scurry into their world. First off, did you know there are 25 species of chipmunks? That's right, most of them are found in North America, with just one, the Siberian chipmunk, calling Asia home. Chipmunks are members of the squirrel family, but unlike their tree-dwelling cousins, these little critters prefer life closer to the ground. They are small, typically measuring between 5 to 6 inches in body length, with their bushy tails adding another 3 to 5 inches. Their weight varies by species, but generally falls between 2 to 5 ounces. That's lighter than a baseball. Now, where do these tiny adventurers live? Chipmunks are true survivalists, thriving in forests, mountains, and even suburban backyards. They build intricate burrows underground, complete with food storage rooms, sleeping quarters, and even separate bathrooms. Talk about organized living. These burrows are essential not just for shelter, but also for hibernation. Yes, chipmunks hibernate. However, unlike bears, they don't sleep the whole winter through. Instead, they enter a state called torpor. During this time, their body temperature drops, their heart rate slows significantly, and they wake up every few days to eat stored food before going back to sleep. Their burrows provide an insulation, keeping them safe from the winter cold. And what fuels all that energy? Chipmunks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small creatures. Their diet includes nuts, seeds, berries, fungi, insects, and even eggs on rare occasions. But their absolute favorite? Acorns and sunflower seeds. They can stuff an astonishing amount of food into their cheek pouches, sometimes up to 5 times more than their stomach can hold. This allows them to quickly gather food and transport it to their burrow without exposing themselves to danger for too long. Ever wondered how long chipmunks live? In the wild, these little dynamos can live up to 3 years, though some have been known to reach 5 in safe environments. In captivity, with proper care, they can live up to 8 years, and despite their energetic nature, they actually need a lot of rest. 15 hours of sleep a day. That's some deep sleep going on. Now let's talk about baby chipmunks. Female chipmunks give birth twice a year, typically having 2 to 5 babies per litter. Their pregnancy lasts about 30 days, and when the babies, called pups, are born, they're blind, hairless, and completely dependent on their mother. In just 6 weeks, they're ready to leave the burrow and start their own little life adventures. Chipmunks are known for their unique fur patterns, which play a crucial role in survival. Their striped backs help break up their outline, blending them into leaves and underbrush, an essential defense against predators. Their fur color varies by species, but often includes shades of brown, black, tan, and cream, allowing them to stay hidden in their environment. Now for some fun facts. Do you know chipmunks can produce over 30 different sounds to communicate, from warning chirps to territorial calls? They're quite the chatterboxes. They also use tail flicks as silent warnings to nearby chipmunks. And here's a surprising one. Despite their small size, chipmunks can run up to 21 miles per hour when needed. Plus, they can leap up to 3 feet in a single bound and climb trees with ease, making them excellent escape artists when danger is near. Chipmunks may be small, but they are incredibly resourceful. In a single day, a chipmunk can gather up to 165 acorns, stuffing them into their expandable cheek pouches before scurrying back to their burrows. Speaking of burrows, the main entrance can extend up to 20 feet, complete with multiple tunnels and chambers. While chipmunks are rarely aggressive, they have their own ways of staying safe. When threatened, they dash into the forest or sound the alarm, warning others to stay hidden. But if cornered, they won't hesitate to bite or scratch to defend themselves. Despite their skittish nature, chipmunks can warm up to humans, especially if they're fed regularly. With patience, they may even take food straight from your hand. Pretty awesome. And when it comes to water, chipmunks may not look like swimmers, but they actually can paddle across small streams and ponds if necessary. They use quick, small strokes, keeping their head above water as they navigate to safety. Chipmunks may be tiny, but their survival instincts are incredible. One of their most fascinating traits is their ability to sense danger long before even arrives. Their sharp hearing allows them to pick up the faintest rustle of leaves, and their eyes, positioned on the sides of their head, give them a wide field of vision to spot threats from multiple angles. Chipmunks may be small, but they play a big role in their ecosystem. By storing and dispersing seeds and berries, they help plants, trees, shrubs grow, and their burrows aerate the soil, making them vital little engineers of nature. Plus, their constant foraging keeps insect populations in check, and that, my friends, is the wonderful world of chipmunks. These tiny, energetic creatures are more than just cute. They're smart, fast, incredibly important. And remember, next time you see a chipmunk dashing by, take a moment to appreciate just how incredible they really are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to BearBunk for the love of animals. See you next time for more amazing animal facts.